Now here the question is, let W1 and W2 denote the circles x square plus y square plus 10x minus 24y minus 87. So that's your W1. And then the second circle, which is W2. That says, let M be the smallest possible value of A, for which this line y equals ax, it contains the center of the circle that is externally tangent to W2 and internally tangent to W1. So basically we are talking about a circle which touches W1 internally and W2 externally, and whose center lie on this line y equals ax, and the smallest possible value of a is given as m. That is, if m square is p upon q, then find the value of p plus q. Now for W1, center is at minus 5, 12, and its radius will be 25 plus 144 plus 87, and there will be 6, 256, which is 16. So center one is minus 5, 12, and radius is 16. And for this second circle, center is at 5, 12, and its radius will be 25 plus 144 minus 153. So there will be 169 minus 153, which is simply 4. And if we look at C1, C2, C1, C2 is simply 10. Now suppose center of this required circle is h, AH, and its radius is r. Now W1 and W, they touch each other internally. That means distance between the centers, which is under root of h plus 5 whole square plus AH minus 12 whole square, will be equal to R1 minus R2. So it will be 16 minus R. Now W2 and W, they are externally tangent. That means C1, C2 equals R1 plus R2. Now in this case, it will be this under root of h minus 5 whole square plus AH minus 12 whole square, and they'll be equal to 4 plus R. Now we'll add them. So this R will get eliminated. So now we can write this as under root of h plus 5 plus AH minus 12 whole square plus under root of h minus 5 plus AH minus 12 whole square, and they'll be equal to 20. Now this is center of the circle C1, and this is center of the circle C2, and this center is C. Now if you look at this equation, then this is CC1 plus CC2, it is equal to 20. So that means this point C will lie on an ellipse whose foci are at plus minus 5, 12, and this is equal to 2a, and we'll use capital A. So 2a equals 20, and distance between centers, which is 10, it is 2ae. So 2ae is 10. So from here we'll get the value of e as 1 by 2 and value of a as 10. And b square is a square into 1 minus e square, and that will be 100, 1 minus 1 by 4, and that should be 75. So we have this ellipse with focus at minus 5, 12 and plus 5, 12. So its center will be at 0, 12. So it will be this ellipse whose equation is x square upon 100 plus y minus 12 whole square upon 75, and it is equal to 1. Now we have to find a point on this ellipse so that line joining the point to origin has the least slope. So we'll have to find this point where this line will be tangent to this ellipse. So we have to find this slope. Now we can write equation of tangent to this ellipse. So it will be y minus 12 mx plus minus under root of a square m square. So there will be 100 m square plus 75, and we want this tangent which passes through 0, 0. So we'll put x is 0 and y is 0. So there will be minus 12 equals plus minus under root of 100 m square plus 75. Now we square it, we can write 144 equals 100 m square plus 75, or 100 m square equals 69. So value of m square is 69 by 100. So we'll get the least value of a, which is m, such that m square is 69 by 100. Now it says this m square is p by q. We have to find the value of p plus q. In this case, value of p plus q, it is 169. So answer to this question is value of p plus q is 169.